Hi, I'm John. I'm at the Trawlerfest in Baltimore. I just toured Selene on this visit for the second time, in total probably the 100th time. Selene, for me, is the perfection for boating. It can go absolutely anywhere across the pond, however you like, but it also feels like home more than any other boat that I've been on. So definitely as I retire, this is what I will be retiring onto, specifically the 60, which is just incredible.
Hi, I'm Dan Moore, here in Baltimore, Maryland, looking at Selene 59. I've got my beautiful wife, Bethany, here. We had a chance to look at the Selene 53 last year, and we're back now looking at the 59. What's think that?
I thought the boat was beautiful. I thought the space was very well used. It definitely felt very homey, like I could actually live on it. Up to this point, we haven't lived on a boat yet, so that's something I've been looking for. I really like the galley is up in the pilot house, and you can get to all over the boat. I like that there's a lot of different ways to get different places, because I know I'm going to be in the kitchen running all over this boat, and I really like that. The boat was beautiful, and I can see myself having people over. There was lots of places to converse, and the VIP, I could see inviting friends and putting them in there, so I really like that.
And I was just sort of following them around until I spied the entrance to the engine room, and then I sort of got lost in there for a while. It was just a absolutely stunning engine room, the mechanical and just the details on the boat, the functionality of it. Really, really impressive.
I like the way you can get to the engine room. There's doors on both ends, so you can go from the engine room to the lazarette, and then all the way out the back of the... I mean, you really can just get everywhere from everywhere on this boat, and I really like that.
Hey, hello from North Carolina. It's Dan and Bethany again, where we've just gone under contract on a 59 Selene, the one we actually were videoed on while we were at Trawlerfest.
The reason we picked this boat is just, it was just amazing. The whole tour, I was really impressed with the quality and the craftsmanship, and it just felt bigger than other boats of other brands that were the same size, and I was just really liked the layout and was impressed with the boat. And after we got off the boat, we met the owner of the company, who flew all the way from China to stand in the rain next to his boat, and I felt like that really said a lot about the brand and the company that he would do that.
Yeah. And we've been looking at boats for several years like most people, and I've done a ton of research, and I knew exactly what I wanted: twin engine, certain amount of draft, certain size boat, and we walked on this boat and it had none of those things, but it absolutely blew my wife away. And from all the research and work I had done with Selene, I was very comfortable that, well, it's a Selene and she likes it, and that's enough. So, we've got the chance to meet Cindy and Steve and some of the other folks, Wayne from Selene, and they've all just been wonderful to deal with, and we just feel really proud to be part of the Selene family now.
Congratulations, Dan and Bethany.
Welcome to the Selene family! Woo!
I'm Jeff. I'm here at the Annapolis boat show. I just stepped onto a Selene for the very first time. And my first impression is just the quality. The workmanship is fantastic. It's gorgeous. Every detail is looked after, and the thickness of the cabinets, the thickness of the wood, the thickness of they had a cutout of one of the tables, and the fiberglass was that thick. It's an incredibly well built vessel. It's beautiful.